Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I've done a lace frontal video. So today I'm going to share with you guys how I got this ponytail with two pieces coming down the side using a lace frontal wig from WowAfrican. So let's jump right into it. So this is a full lace wig where you get lace all around your hairline. So from the front to the back you get completely lace. So you're able to wear your hair in a high bun and give a scalp effect in the back as well as in the front. Now WowAfrican did attach an elastic band to their wig, so you don't have to worry about taking out extra time to sew on your own. You can just use this band to get a tight, snug fit. So because this is a full lace frontal wig, you want to go ahead and cut the sides down and cut off the lace in the back just to give you a better idea of where to place your wig. And by the way, this is a headband wig that I have on in this video, but I will put the link below in the description bar in case you want to see the tutorial for this look. So this is the hairline to this Yaki texture wig from WowAfrican Hair. Now it does come with a lot of extra lace, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut that off so I can see exactly what I am doing. And of course, you guys should know by now that this Yaki texture is my favorite because of this look right here. Look at how much volume and density is in the actual root of the hair. It really looks like a natural blowout. This texture is so beautiful. I always say it whenever I have this type of wig. Everybody needs to have this type of texture in their wig collection. So I just wanted to share with you guys before I got into styling how this wig looks if you just wanted to wear it in its straight state. And I did not blow dry this hair. This is what the hair looks like after I just pressed out the hairline a little bit. So let's move on to the actual styling of today's video. First of all, this stocking cap is way too light, but this is the only stocking cap that I had that was not packed up, so it was easy for me to find. So I am just going to go in and darken this stocking cap with using some face powder, some foundation face powder, just to give a natural look, because right now it is not looking good. Like, the lace is definitely picking up on that light stocking cap. And of course this is a glueless install, but I am going to be going in with some hairspray to help with the extra hold. Now because I am using Got To Be Glue hair gel, it already gives, its own hold, but I wanted to go in with some hairspray and spray it directly on the hairline, but not doing too much because I don't want the hairline to look stiff and hard. So the next thing I'm going to do is just tie everything down. Girl, I don't know who I was on the phone with this day, but clearly I was really into the conversation, so please excuse me yapping away. So with this look, I am trying to make sure the hair is as flat as possible. Now I do have these big dinosaur braids in my hair, so my hair is like a little bumpy, but that's because my braids is just way too big. I had no idea I was going to do a ponytail look. So I definitely would suggest doing like smaller braids so that your hair lays flat, but I'm going to fix that a little later in this video. So here I'm just cutting off the lace, of course. So first of all, I love this look so much. I don't know why this is like my first time trying this look with the frontal, but it's super cute. So here I'm trying to decide on if I want to wear my hair straight and just add a little headband, or if I'm just actually going to put my hair in a ponytail like, you know, it was supposed to be originally. So I don't know, but I like both looks, so I'll definitely be rocking this wig for the next couple of days. And this hair does have a little bit of flyaways on the two sides, so I did take some spritz and just spray it on my fingers just to make sure it tames the flyaways. And just look at this hair, y'all. It is so pretty and so full. Oh yes, this is definitely a cute look. So when I pop back out in 2021, this will definitely be my go-to hairstyle. So here you guys can see the back of the wig. As you can see, it looks pretty good for the most part, except for those two dinosaur braids that I have in the back. But the headband pretty much covers that. So here I'm just going to get my selfie on real quick, take some cute pictures. And here is what the side of the wig looks like. Everything is nice and neat and tucked. And as you can see, I'm trying to get that lump out, but girl, it ain't going nowhere because it's my actual braids. And so this is pretty much the final look. I had so much fun recreating this look, and again, I can't wait until I'm comfortable to go back out in the public, and this will definitely be my go-to hairstyle. And I decided to end it with a cute little headband, and this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Bye!